Hi everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing the brand new seal family. I am so excited to open these because it's a brand new family. We've never had seals before, so it's so exciting. Their faces are so cute. So the father is grey and then the mother and babies are white, and they've got little spots on them, which is really adorable, just like real seals have. And we have a picture of them on the back. And they also come with some really cute accessories as well. So they're going to live at my seaside. They're so cute. So now let's open them. So they come with a storybook, and inside it has a picture of them with their names. And I've used Google Translate and it says it's Maurice, Amora, Puffy and Muffy. They are so adorable. They are so adorable. And I love the packaging of the little beach ball at the front, and you can see it actually comes with that beach ball as well. Look at their flippers. That is so adorable. So this is Amora. Oh, I like her top. It's like a felt top, which matches her hat, with a little seashell on the side. And then she's got a spotty skirt. So pretty. And then she's got whiskers. Aww. They are so adorable. And her feet as well. I'm not sure if seals have feet or do they just have a tail, I think. But I guess they've made them have feet so they can stand up. She's so adorable. So this is the mother, Amora. And she does have a little tail. That's so cute. And then we have the father, Maurice. And he has a matching hat, but his one is white with blue around the edge instead of light blue with darker blue. And he's got the same material top. I love that they have like seaside colours like the blues. It's very nice. He's so adorable. And then next we have the accessories and the babies. I think I'll have to cut them out. The babies are so adorable and they're so soft. They're like fluffy. So the parents aren't fluffy, they're just like normal. But the babies, they are really, really soft and really fluffy. But they don't feel the same as the Persian cats because they kind of feel maybe slightly more of a pricklier feel. But these are like so soft. They are so adorable. They've got like little blue noses. I love them so much. And also their spots are more blue as well. Whereas on the mother I'd say it's more of a grey than blue, yeah. So we have a ring, a bag. I love that they're see-through, that looks cool. And a purple beach ball. So now let's get the soft little babies out. So here is Puffy. She is so adorable. And also look at the little feet, and they do move even though they are really tiny. And she's got a little tiny tail as well. So adorable. Look at the flippers. I love the flippers. So cute. And also I love the cute hats. I love them so much. And then here we have Muffy in her little skirt. Again, adorable little feet. Oh, she's so cute. I love this family so much. It's so good to have some more exotic animals. Like recently we had the giraffes. So it's so interesting to see new families, not just more cats and rabbits and bears. We actually get to see some more different types of animals and more exotic ones as well. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!